Let's hope Buddy didn't die. But I brought him in with a bunch of seaweed. Because I was on my way back actually to go get the camera. So I forgot it. Man, I hope he's still good. Don't look too good, but there you go. Should have found a head on that one. Alright. Here's Betty. Hey, Betty's still good. Betty's still very good. And I'm happy for Betty. Happy for both of us. Just look at Betty. Betty's pretty good looking. Betty's ready to get off that one. Alright. Ooh, Betty's got sharp fucking teeth. I'll put you down for a second. Damn, Betty. You're a good looking fish. Damn, Buddy. Please focus in on Betty. She's beautiful. Let's see. It's okay, Betty. Oh, it's only 13. But damn. Betty, you're pretty. Alright, it's me and Betty. Time to let her go. Betty, you were good. Betty, you're fucking lost. There she is. Nice.